Creating Instagram Reels is easy, and here's how you can do it on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From the options, select Reel. This will take you to the Reels recording screen. To record a new video, press and hold the record button in the center. You can record multiple clips by letting go and pressing again. If you want to upload an existing video, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and select your clip. Instagram offers different tools to edit your reel. You can add music by tapping the music icon, adjust the speed, apply filters and effects, or use the timer for hands-free recording. Once you are done recording, tap next to go to the editing screen. Here, you can trim clips, add text, stickers, and adjust the audio. After editing, tap next again to add a caption, hashtags, and cover image. You can choose a frame from your video or upload a custom cover. Finally, tap share to publish your reel. It will appear on your Reels tab and in your follows feed. That's it. Now you know how to create amazing reels on Instagram. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.